Welcome friends and family, my name is Jeannie, and if this is your first time, you are definitely welcome.
At your feet, baby girl, be mine. Baby girl, be mine.
Today's video is not planned, it was just very spontaneous, but I get this question a lot. People want to know how much I'm being paid as a small YouTuber. Of course, I'm not going to give you my overall revenue, but I just want to break down certain things for you. Once you get monetized, people think you're already a millionaire. It doesn't work like that. I don't know who lied to y'all. You have to work. I mean, when I say work, you have to work, and that's just how it is, okay? So that is why I always say my goal, it's not to just be monetized. My goal is to go viral. Once I go viral, I might end up on CNN, I might end up on Fox News, I might end up on, I might end up, what the freak? I might end up on like different platforms that will get me like brand deals and sponsorships. You know, that is what I'm looking for. Before we start, I just want to read out some facts to y'all, just in case you were wondering how much will I be paid for a video. It says with the average YouTube pay rate hovering between $0.01 and $0.03 for an ad view, a YouTuber can make around $18 per 1,000 views, which comes out to $3 to $5 per 1,000 views. So again, it depends on which category you are found in. Are you a lifestyle blogger or are you a food blogger? It depends on what you do. I realized that how-to videos do very well. I mean, educational videos really do well. How to create a thumbnail, how to make this, how to do that. If you are in the finances, you're actually paid very well. Actually, they are the highest paid according to some research I did some time back. Do your research as well. I just want to show you quickly what I made on certain videos. As I mentioned earlier, I'm not going to show you guys my overall estimated revenue. I'm very transparent, okay? I just want to let you know what is happening in here. So once I got monetized, if you haven't checked out my monetization video, guys, I'll link it up here. Check it out. I actually break certain things down for y'all, so if you want to know more about how to get monetized and everything, just click that video. Once I got monetized, the very next day I uploaded a video because I wanted to see something, and the video I uploaded was how to make a YouTube custom thumbnail on your phone using free apps in 2020. So far, this video has been doing well. It already has 671 views. People really liked this video, and the ranking is 2 out of 10. People really liked it. So let's go to what we are all waiting for. Okay, wait, this is the last 28 days. Let me change that. Let me do last 365. In the last 365 days, it said your estimated revenue is $4.61. I have what, 671 views, and I have $4.61. Again, it depends on the number of ads in the video, okay? Because the more you have ads in the video, the more you make money. It's a 5-minute video, so I only have 2 ads. If I had made a 10-minute video, then definitely I can put like 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ads. But guys, don't do that. Don't do that. It actually makes the video boring and people might click out of the video. If people click on the ad, or if people watch the whole ads through, you make money. That's why it's important to make your videos very entertaining. So even if it's 10 minutes, 12 minutes, and you put 5 ads, people will watch all the way through, because the more people watch your video, the more YouTube makes money, and YouTube will start promoting you because they're going to make money off of YouTube. Also, just keep this in mind that YouTube takes about 45% of your revenue. So for instance, if you make $1,000, YouTube will take 45% and give you 55%. That's just how it works. Basically, you're working for YouTube. So let me go ahead and show another video. The other video I want to show is the ultimate epic 4-hour omelet b-roll, and this video already has 538 views. This is a 2-minute video. It's very short. So let's go to what we are waiting for, the analytics. Let's go to revenue, and my estimated revenue is in the last 28 days, so I'll change it to the last 365 days. So in the last 365 days, I have $3.66, guys. So again, it depends on what type of content you are uploading. So someone asked me a very good question about live streaming. Okay guys, so live streaming doesn't give you money. Okay, so if you do live stream and you get people super chatting you, that is when you make money. But if you don't get super chat and super stickers, guys, you don't make anything. I want to show you an example of what I'm talking about. So let's go to this live stream, Sunday Live with Ginny Menton. Let's see. Let's go to the analytics. Okay, I don't even have anything on this live stream. This live stream, for instance, it was a 6-hour live stream, and in the last 365 days, my estimated revenue is 10 cents. What? What? So that is why I always say that, I mean, before you get monetized, yes, it's important to do live streaming every time, but once you get monetized, guys, focus on your videos, because YouTube would not really promote your live streams, they'll promote the videos. Okay, this is just one of the live streams. Let me just go to another one and see that as well. Let's go to analytics. Okay, I actually have, okay, no data. Let's go to another one. I just want you guys to see the difference and why it's important to you keep uploading content. Look at this. Look, guys, look at that. Okay, that is also a 6-hour live stream, and I just made 1 cent. Actually, let me go to the last 365 so you guys know I'm not playing. Okay, actually it's 13 cents, but still. Okay, so in the last 365 days, which I wasn't monetized 365 days ago, but in the last 365 days I've only made 13 cents. This should tell you you should be focusing on your videos. If you're not monetized, the live stream is very important because it actually helps you get watch hours. But once you're monetized, guys, chill and start uploading content. Personally, I do live streams just to connect now. I don't really do it for anything else. Also to help other small YouTubers like myself. I know somebody really wanted to know if live stream actually pays more than the content. No, it doesn't. And also, just to give you a summary or a quick overview of what it looks like once you get monetized. So guys, I'm going to actually end this video here. I don't know if you have any other questions, but I know this is not a detailed video or anything. I know it might help somebody so that you can get a rough idea of what videos you want to create. And also, once your video blow, you can also start making like real money. And if you want me to go into like details, what the RPM is, what CPM is, how to calculate, that we can do. This was just a brief overview just to let you know what it really feels like or what you'll be getting, so you were not surprised when you actually check your revenue and it says that amount. You know, if you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. Thumbs up, like, share. What's the difference between thumbs up and like? No difference. But I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.